I'm doing this that you're hearing right now. What I'm coding is on the screen, and I've never done this before. We're just going to see how it goes. I'll stop at 5 p.m. and whatever I've made then will be what I've made. I mean, I'm filming it, but I should be recording it. Just gradually getting into it, as in just starting to think of ideas. What is this happening? I finally did something different. Thanks everybody. Thank you for putting up with that.